The diagnostic capabilities of generative AI, notably the chatbot GPT-4, were tested in a fresh study that produced encouraging results. In the study, the AI's ability to diagnose complicated medical cases accurately was assessed. GPT-4 correctly identified the primary diagnosis roughly 40% of the time and included the correct diagnosis in its list of probable diagnoses in 64% of challenging cases. The success of AI in this study may shed new light on how it may be used in healthcare situations. However, further study is required to address the advantages, ideal application, and restrictions of such technology. In a research including 70 challenging clinical cases, 39% of the time, GPT-4 accurately predicted the outcome. The accurate diagnosis was listed in GPT-4's differential list.